Finding the ideal placement in a classroom for a USB camera can be a challenging task, requiring both connectivity from a laptop or a computer and an electrical outlet to power the device, all while capturing both the instructor and the content being taught at the same time and in the same shot. Existing solutions, such as standard-length USB cables, provide some flexibility, but are still limited in distance. Plus, the need to avoid the hazards of exposed power cables means the added costs of installing new AC outlets. And even then, there's no guarantee of getting the whole picture. The Valenz USB and power extender solves each of these problems with a simple plug-and-play solution over a single field-terminated standard category cable, giving you the freedom to seamlessly extend and position your camera anywhere in the room, all while providing power through your device's USB Type-C port or separate power jack. And its automatic power negotiation makes it compatible with any USB-based Logitech solution. Streamlined, flexible, cost-effective, and the perfect shot. The Valenz USB and Power Extender.